percentage of men do you think have yachts?
Oh, like, I don't know, like, yeah, pretty low, maybe 9%.
9% of men have
On
yachts.
Hinge?
You think 9% of
world.
men have yachts?
Is that...
9%?
I don't know. I don't think yachts are a very common... I can't afford a yacht. I don't know.
But no, you think
We're in Santa Barbara,
It's like
too.
less than 9.
You think 9% of men have yachts? So out of 100 men, 9 of them have yachts.
Out of how many? 100?
Out of 100 men, 9 of them have yachts. Yacht.
All right, yacht. How about 4? I'm staying pretty low.
It's going to be
Yeah.
1 or less than 1.